I have mental health problem, depression and anxiety, few panic attacks. My manager invited me for a one-on-one meeting after we discussed about work related. He asked me regarding a non-related topic with my work. It's my personal transaction. The way he is questioning me pressures me a lot. I begged him to stop, but still asking things. At that moment, I told him to stop because I am having a panic attack. I'm suffering now from depression and emotionally damaged trauma.
In handling this situation, from your point of view as the employee, diba? Ang suggestion ko po sa inyo is to inform your employer about your mental health problem. Because hindi naman po mind reader ang mga tao. If you are my employee and you have not informed me about your condition, I wouldn't know. And I might just be doing business as usual, giving my feedback, having a one-on-one meeting with my staff, with my employee. And little that I know or unknown to me, one of my employee pala is suffering already. So unless you inform your employer about your condition, it's not the fault of your superior, your boss. That because what he's doing is obviously just business as usual, no? What every manager or supervisor or team leader would do. Okay, so that's the first thing that you have to do. Inform them of your condition, submit your proof, your medical records. So that's why meron nga pong Department Order 208. It's not only for employers, it's also for employees who are having this mental condition because some of them are hiding it, tinatago po nila, no? For whatever reason, for fear of the unknown, fear of whatever repercussion, no? So, ito po ang maganda nito kasi there is a law protecting you. There's a Magna Carta, and if you can qualify as a person with disability, then you are entitled to be protected by the Magna Carta on persons with disability. No, may criteria yon. The expert would be the one to determine that. And the employer is required to have policies on disability and on mental health. Required po yun na may policy sa mga employer. And so, with such a protection on your condition, do not, wag po kayong matakot, no? It's better that you disclose. If you've already disclosed and your employer knows and you're not being treated properly or fairly in accordance with the law and the rules and regulation, well, that's another matter. That's a ground for discrimination, unlawful discrimination. That's a ground for constructive dismissal. So, situation, case-to-case po yan, no? But first things first, since you are not here in the studio, and I don't know the real score, the real situation, first things first, inform your employer about your situation. Okay, so thank you, Hill, and it's already 11:04. 1 hour lang po tayo dito.